Civil Service Exam Reviewer, Idioms. Let me know if you can score a perfect 10 out of 10. Don't worry, he's just pulling your leg. A. Hurting you. B. Joking with you. C. Ignoring you. D. Helping you. The correct answer is letter B. Joking with you. Pulling someone's leg means teasing or joking. She's feeling under the weather today. A. Sick. B. Moody. C. Busy. D. Lazy. The correct answer is letter A. Sick. Under the weather means not feeling well. Let's call it a day. A. Quit working. B. Take a nap. C. Celebrate. D. Argue. The correct answer is letter A. Quit working. Call it a day means to stop for now. That test was a piece of cake. A. Fun. B. Difficult. C. Easy. D. Boring. The correct answer is letter C. Easy. Piece of cake means something very easy. She hit the nail on the head. A. Hurt herself. B. Made a mistake. C. Was exactly right. D. Got angry. The correct answer is letter C. Was exactly right. Hit the nail on the head means to be perfectly correct. He let the cat out of the bag. A. Made a mess. B. Revealed a secret. C. Freed an animal. D. Lied. The correct answer is letter B. Revealed a secret. Let the cat out of the bag means to tell a secret. She's got cold feet about the wedding. A. Nervous. B. Sick. C. Angry. D. Relaxed. The correct answer is letter A. Nervous. Cold feet means sudden fear or hesitation. When it comes to dancing, she's the best in the game. A beginner. B, the most skilled. C, not interested. D, shy. The correct answer is letter B, the most skilled. Best in the game means the most talented or skilled at something. You really hit the books last night. A, slept. B, studied. C, wrote a story. D, watched TV. The correct answer is letter B, studied. Hit the books means to study hard. It's time to face the music. A, listen to a song. B, accept the consequences. C, attend a concert. D, start dancing. The correct answer is letter B, accept the consequences. Face the music means to deal with the results of your actions. Did you get 10 out of 10?